Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. And as you can see, on the second position actually we've got the timer, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got the option turned off, so the timer is turned off, but we can set also a 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the timer, just tap on the option like to use. I will pick 10 seconds, and as you can see it is notified right here, so we can go back in order to check. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, and let me pick for example 2 seconds, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. Obviously you can turn off the timer just by tapping on off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.